Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your account with Shopify detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying your account with Shopify, first, log into your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings option found at the bottom left of the dashboard. In the settings menu, select Plan and Permissions. Scroll down to the Staff Accounts section. Locate your account email and click on the Send Account Invite button if it appears. Check your email inbox for an invitation from Shopify. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you to the Shopify website for verification. If prompted, create a strong password for your account. Once your password is set, follow any additional instructions provided on screen. You may need to verify your identity further through two-factor authentication. If you have not enabled this feature, go to the Settings menu and select Security. Turn on two-factor authentication for added security. Once enabled, you will receive a verification code on your chosen method, like SMS or an authenticator app. Enter this code in the appropriate field on the Shopify site. After entering the code, your account will be successfully verified. You can now access all features and tools available for your Shopify account. If you encounter any issues, revisit the Help Center for further assistance. With your account verified, you're now ready to start building your online store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.